Happy Founders Day from your friends at the office of Phi Alpha Delta. My name is Lasha Grayson. I have the privilege and honor of serving as the Director of Leadership and DEI Initiatives for 122 years. Amazing, the milestones that we have been able to accomplish because of people like you within this 122 years. The conventions we had, the labs, the spaces that we are able to create, the lawyers that have been produced from being members of this organization. I couldn't help but think of what can we do in the next 122 plus years with an investment from you. You see, $122 would go very far for members within this organization. I'm asking you to call your friend, share this video, call your family members to invest $122 plus for the years of service of Phi Alpha Delta. With this investment that you sow, we're able to elevate our conventions, push pre-law conferences to the next level, and truly help the next generation of scholars. The good news is, it is very simple to invest. Click the link below. I know you see the link. Click the link below and sow a seed. And if you really want to get busy, you really want to get donated, you get something special. You'll get this shirt. Take a look. Wait, there's more. Get into the back. The colors, very chic, very demure. But $100 plus will have you receive this shirt. I know what you're thinking, it's just a t-shirt, but it's not a t-shirt, it's a statement. It is the badge of honor to say that you truly invest in the mission and the core values and the movement for 122 plus more years of Phi Alpha Delta Law Fraternity. Here at the National Office, we appreciate your commitment, love to moving this organization forward. I know I will be calling my friends and family to invest their $122 plus. You should do the same.